I'm using leftover panettone to make a delicious bread and butter pudding. I've got some slices here. I'm just going to cut them in half to make them a little bit more manageable. And then pop them straight into a buttered oven-proof dish. I'm just using classic lightly fruited panettone, but you could use any sort of sweet bread. You could use cinnamon and raisin or pain au chocolat. Now for the custard, I've got some beaten eggs. To that, I'm going to add some whole milk. For the full recipe, just click on the link in the description. Some double cream. And I've got some demerara sugar. I'm going to put about half of it in now and keep the rest for the top. And then we're just going to pour that quite evenly all over the panettone. And then you need to leave it to sit for about 15 minutes, and that part's really important because it gives the panettone a chance to soak up all of the custard, and then you'll get a really, really lovely texture. Now to finish off the bread and butter pudding, I'm just going to sprinkle the surface with the rest of that sugar, and it'll give it a really lovely crunchy topping. And then to finish it off, just a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. Now, I've got a roasting tin in the oven that's got some boiling water in it. I'm just going to very carefully sit our dish inside the tin, and that'll help it to cook really, really gently. And that'll need to cook for about 35 minutes until it's completely set and lovely and golden. And for more delicious recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.